Hello guys, I'm vlogging with my phone camera right now. And bakit ba? And it's kind of a sad day because I'll be saying goodbye to my camera. Like the title says, benta ko na yung camera ko. And ito siya, and nakabox na siya. And M50. And yun ang nakapagpa-survive sa akin for so long. Sa ilang beses gigs and sa ministry and everything, sa lahat ng mga projects. That's what I've been using, and so I'll be handing it off to 30. Bro, trade offer. So bakit ko nga ba binenta yung camera ko? Well, dahil dito. And dahil dyan, ang entry natin for the whole month of June is all about exploring kahit papaano po unti-unti yung bagong camera na to, which is the Sony A7C2. So I shot multiple B-rolls po unti-unti all throughout the month sa mga napuntahan ko or kung ano mang matripan ko na videohan, even though medyo busy. Since first time natin makagamit ng camera or magkaroon ng camera with the S-Log capabilities, yun yung tinry natin, how to really push with the color grading. Though syempre, beginner pa lang, nagsisimula pa lang sa pagkukulay. So kaya, yun yung tinatry ko with this month, with the simple B-rolls. Sobrang simple lang, there's not much movement, there's not much planning with the shots. Just shot interesting things with the things that happened all throughout the month. And then, kulayan ko lang siya, try ko siya kulayan ng kung paano yung alam ko. So, feel free to comment and give criticism on how I can improve my color grading skills. Again, ito yung entry natin for the month and ito yung mga B-rolls. As you can see, sobrang beginner, talagang trying out lang. Gusto ko lang talagang i-try, explore within this month. Muna, yung new camera syempre. And talagang makita how I can utilize it in the future videos natin sa mga susunod nating entry, di ba? See you next month para sa ating next entry sa 12 months challenge, 12 videos. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, hit that follow, hit that bell notification for more. And you can check out the past entries this year and the here. Bye-bye.